Artificial intelligence is changing the world quickly. From self-driving cars to robots in factories, AI is already here. One big question is, will robots take over our jobs? Some people worry about losing their jobs, others see new opportunities. In this essay, we will explore the past, present, and future of AI. We will look at its impact on the job market and what we can do to prepare. The dream of intelligent machines is not new. For centuries, people have imagined machines that can think like humans. In the 20th century, AI became a real field of study. Early AI systems were basic. They could only follow simple instructions. Over time, AI has become more powerful. Today, we have AI that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. This rapid progress is changing how we work and live. Many experts believe AI will change the job market significantly. Some jobs will disappear, while others will be created. In the near future, jobs that involve repetitive tasks are most at risk. For example, factory workers and truck drivers could be replaced by robots. By next decades, even more complex jobs may be automated. AI might be able to perform tasks that require creativity and problem-solving. However, some jobs are likely to remain secure. Jobs that require human interaction, empathy, and critical thinking will be in demand. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities. One major concern is job displacement. As AI takes over tasks, many people may lose their jobs. This could lead to unemployment and social unrest. To address this, we need to rethink education and job training. We need to equip people with the skills they need to succeed in an AI-powered world. This includes skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The rise of AI also presents opportunities. AI can free us from routine tasks, giving us more time for creativity and innovation. It can create new jobs in fields like AI development and data science. The future of work with AI is uncertain, but we can prepare by embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the changing job landscape.